cleansing is not about deprivation. The social constructs we have around food do not support our body. So let me put those things together. We're socially conditioned and thereby turned into addicts of substances, of foods, drinks that were never intended for us to consume. So the idea of feeling deprived of something that's not even good for you, it's not even meant for you, is actually ludicrous. You're never going to be deprived from that which truly satisfies you, truly nourishes you, truly gives you what you need. The kind of deprivation you may feel initially by not having things that are socially common but antithetical to your complete makeup will be temporary. Is a kind of erroneous deprivation anyway, because you're not really deprived. You're now finally reviving yourself. You're not taking anything away except that which was causing you injury. You're removing the waste. You're depriving your body of having acidic waste residue and parasites and heavy metals and radiation that's all stored in that waste. You see, that's the only thing you're depriving yourself of, which of course is something you want to be deprived of.